Deep in the heart of a lush forest, there lived a small but clever woodlouse named Wiggly. Wiggly was not the strongest or the fastest, but he was known for his sharp wit and cunning ways. One day, a great storm swept through the forest, causing a flood that washed away Wiggly's home. He was left stranded on a large, floating log, surrounded by the rising waters. Wiggly looked around, his heart heavy with worry. He knew he needed to find a new home, but the waters were fast and treacherous. His small size made it difficult for him to swim against the current. Just as Wiggly was about to give up hope, he saw a tall reed standing firmly against the flood. With a determined expression, Wiggly climbed onto the reed, clinging tightly as the water flowed around him. For days, Wiggly rode the reed, navigating the floodwaters. He saw many other creatures being swept away, but he held on, guided by his courage and determination. Finally, the waters began to recede, and Wiggly found himself near the edge of the forest. He climbed off the reed and started to search for a new home. As he walked, he came across a crack in a tree stump. It was small, but Wiggly realized it was the perfect size for him. He moved in, making it cozy and comfortable. Wiggly's new home was safe and dry, far from the dangers of the storm. He had faced the floodwaters and lived to tell the tale, proving that sometimes, it's not size that matters, but courage and determination. And so, Wiggly lived happily ever after, reminding all who heard his story that no matter how small, everyone has the power to overcome adversity and find success. Moral asterisk: courage and determination can help us overcome even the greatest challenges.